To achieve precise pipe cutting, we begin by marking the pipe accurately using a wrap template to ensure proper alignment. This step is critical in maintaining dimensional accuracy throughout the fabrication process.
I'm just a sinking ship, and you're just a pair of lips that I've lost in the moment. All I want is for you to come back. Now I'm cold.
The pipe is then cut using a coarse-grained grinding wheel, ensuring a smooth, clean, and accurate cut with minimal material deformation. A precise cut is essential for achieving a strong and defect-free weld. After cutting, we carefully remove the internal protective lacquer coating to prevent contamination and promote a high-quality weld. This step is crucial for maintaining the integrity and strength of the welded joint. Next, the cut edge undergoes beveling using a grinding stone, creating the optimal groove angle for effective weld penetration. Proper beveling enhances joint strength and ensures full fusion during welding.
I can give you one more chance. You're only living in your damn head.
To further improve weld quality, the beveled edges are meticulously cleaned using a flap disc, removing any residual oxide, burrs, or contaminants. A clean bevel prevents welding defects such as porosity or lack of fusion. At this stage, the pipe end is fully beveled, cleaned, and prepared for precise alignment. We then position the pipe with a 90-degree elbow, ensuring they align at the same level for an accurate fit-up. A spirit level is used to check both horizontal and vertical alignment, ensuring precise positioning. Any misalignment is corrected before proceeding to the next fabrication step. Once alignment is verified, we introduce a 5 to 6 millimeter gap between the pipe and elbow using round bars. This controlled gap allows for proper weld penetration and minimizes distortion during welding. Tack welds are strategically applied at multiple points to secure the components in place, preventing movement or misalignment before full welding. tack welding is essential for maintaining dimensional stability. After tack welding, the fit-up of the elbow to the pipe is rechecked, using a spirit level to confirm both vertical and horizontal alignment. Any necessary adjustments are made to achieve precise positioning. Now, the pipe and 90-degree elbow are fully prepared for the final welding process. This meticulous preparation ensures high-quality, structurally sound welds that meet industry standards. For more detailed tutorials on pipe fabrication techniques, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to stay updated with our latest videos every Monday. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.